Hello everyone, Innovative Novel, Namaskar. Myself Rubini Dardami, the basic teacher of Novel Environment Academy and science teacher as well. And I hope you will stay with me till the end of today's class. And please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to our. Okay, now, students, I would like to welcome you all in our today's science online class. And in our previous class, we have learned about the animals with wings. I hope you have learned at your home. Now, in today's class, we will learn about care of animals. Unit 13, care of animals. How we can care our animals. Okay. We see different types of animals at our home and surrounding. Cow, buffalo, goat, dog, cat, etc. are domestic animals. Cow and buffalo give us milk. We get meat from goat and hen. The dog guards our home. We keep parrot and pigeon at our home. We should love these animals. We should not tease and beat them. They also feel our treatment. If we give them food, they become happy. If we tease them, they become angry. Okay? Now, animals. We can see different types of animals at our home and at our surrounding. Animals like cow, buffalo, goat, dog, cat. These animals are known as domestic animals. Why they are called domestic animals? Because they used to live in a home, or the animals that live. Do you know what are domestic animals? Yes, we have learned in our previous class also. Those animals that we kept at our home, that animals are known as domestic animals. For example, cow, buffalo, goat, dog, cat. These animals are known as domestic animals. And cow and buffalo, they used to give us milk. As we all know that cow and buffalo, with the help of them, we get the milk. And we get meat from goat and hen as well. Goat, hen, pig, we get meat from them. The dog are the pet animals. Why we keep the dog at our home? Because it gives us company, or it guards our home. Yes or no? We keep parrot and pigeon at our home also. All the parrot, pigeon, we used to keep these animals at our home as well. So we should love these kinds of animals. They are also the living beings, so they can feel the pain. So we should not tease them or beat them. Okay, we should love them. They also feel our treatment. If we give them food, they become happy. If they feel hungry, that time if we feed them or if we give them food, they become very much happy. And if we tease the animals, they become angry. So we should not beat the animals or we should not tease the animals. Okay, we have to love all kinds of animals around us, around home, around surrounding. Now student, you can see here on the board I have written some ways of caring animals, how we can care our animals. In first point, by giving foods to dog, cat, etc. We can care our animals, our pet, by giving food to them. And in number 2, by giving grass to cow. If you have cow or buffalo, goat in your home, then you can give them grass to feed them. Okay. And in third point, by giving grains to bird. If you have bird at your home, then you have to give the grains to your birds. Okay. And in number 4, bathing dog's cat. And you have to bath your dog, cat. Okay, to keep them clean, you have to give them regular bath, and last one, combing dog's hair, etc. Also, you have to after the bathing of dog, cat, you have to comb them properly. Okay, these are the ways of caring our animals. Okay, now student, it's time for homework. I have given you some homework. There are 5 questions, so you have to do at your home. Okay. In question number 1, name any 2 domestic animals. You have to write the names of any 2 domestic animals. In question number 2, name any 2 animals which give us milk. You have to write the names of any 2 animals which give us milk. Okay. In question number 3, name any 2 birds which we keep at our home. You have to write the name of any 2 birds which we keep at our home. In question number 4, name any 2 animals which we raise for meat. You have to write the names of any 2 animals that we use for meat. Okay. And last one is, why do we keep a dog at our home? Why? For what purpose we keep our dog at our home? Write this. Okay. Do your homework properly and learn as well, and send your homework in our Messenger or Max Connect app. Okay. Okay, now all of you stay home, stay safe. Thank you.